Hi, it's Mia and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to figure out how we can apply grammar correctly when we speak. I know when we speak, it's so easy for us to make grammar mistakes, although we know grammar rules and we do well in writing. So why is that? It's because when we speak, we don't have much time to think carefully about grammar rules, and our mind has to focus on other important things such as recalling words, listening to the speaker, or answering questions. And so we just talk, words just come out, and it's a habit. As a result, we keep making the same mistakes. So how can you fix that? You need to build a new habit by deep practice and repetition. You have to practice a specific grammar point until it goes into your subconscious mind and becomes a habit. When it's already a habit, words come out automatically and correctly. You don't have to think about grammar rules when you talk. That's the point. And with that point, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process that you can follow and practice. First, identify a grammar point that you often use it wrong when you speak. Second, create many sentences with that grammar point. And third, spend 10 or 15 minutes a day practicing those sentences by saying them aloud, again and again, many times. For example, if you often make a mistake with present simple tense, you often say something like he don't like, he don't have, but it should be he doesn't like, he doesn't have. Now you can create many sentences with that grammar point and practice them. Like he doesn't, he doesn't, he doesn't, she doesn't, she doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't, it doesn't, it doesn't, he doesn't have, he doesn't have, he doesn't have. He doesn't like, he doesn't like, he doesn't like, she doesn't like, she doesn't like, she doesn't like, he doesn't like cooking, he doesn't like swimming, he doesn't like pizza. And over a process of repeating, you will gain that habit. And finally, when you have a conversation, notice that if you use that grammar correctly or not. If you do, give yourself praise. If you don't just yet, keep practicing. I know you might think it would take a lot of time. I don't have much time. I want to see immediate results. Yes, it would take time, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. And after a week or 2 weeks, you will gain something. You will get something done. It's still so much better than you do nothing, and at the end, you gain nothing, while time still goes by, right? Okay, that's it for today, and thank you. Bye.